A quiet morning begins with intentional preparation. She opens the book, signaling the start of her focused reading. Her expression shows she is serious about the day's intention. This daily practice is vital for her mindset. Today, I choose peace, focus, and discipline. These are the cornerstones of her day.
Oh my god, oh my god. Did you guys say? So if you've been looking for an AI tool that can actually turn your script into a full-length videos, right, with voice and visual, different characters, whether you want the 3D cartoon style, realistic type, or you want the horror type, whatever style you want, then this free tool does exactly that. And in this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how to use it from start to finish right now. So you want to make sure you watch till the very important part of this video. If that's you, let's get right in. All right, so let me show you my screen. So first go to your browser and type videoemu.com and click enter. So once you are here, this is exactly how the interface looks like. Then you want to click on start for free or log in and sign up using your Google or Discord account. So, but in this case, I've signed with my Google account anyway. So once that is done, you might want to answer this quick question, or you choose to cancel it. It doesn't really matter. Again, once that is done, then you hit the gotten option. All right. Now I have 700 star. Right? I have it for the day, 700 star for the day. This is how your dashboard looks like. And you might want to go through it a little. Now let's create your first AI video. You click on Story Video Generator. Now here, you can either type your own script or ask the AI to create one for you. But in this example, in my own example, I asked ChatGPT to create a quick short clip for me. I copy the first scene and paste my script here. Next, choose the style of your video. So if you want it landscape or portraits, but in this case, I select landscape, alright? Next is the cartoon style. So this is whether you want it 3D, cinematic, horror, Zootopia, realistic. For me, I choose Zootopia, alright? So next is the duration of your video. You see 3 minutes, you see 1 minute, 3 minutes, and the rest. Now here's the trick. You can still create a longer video, right? With our free daily star. Remember, we were giving 700 star as a new user. All you have to do is create a 1 minute for each script. So this only charges 20 star per each script. So that was how I was able to generate that longer video. One thing is that this AI tool, it automatically linked your video together for you. So you do not need to worry about, taking them to another editing tool. This AI tool automatically does that for you. Alright, so let's get right here. Alright, so next you want to select the language you want your character to speak. And of course, they have different options to choose from. So I choose English. So once that is done, you might want to change your file name, but that's really not necessary. But anyway, you see why I said that. Now after all that is done, you hit the create button. Now here we go. We have our cast ready and a full script for scene 1. Now you want to make sure you go through the scripts, right? So if you are good with it, if you are fine with it, you don't need any adjustment or anything, then you go ahead to hit next. Alright, so it charges 60 star, just 60 star for that. So before you proceed, make sure you're satisfied with your generated scripts. Otherwise, you have the option to edit. Alright, now we have our character ready. We have our character ready for scene 1. These are just picture characters, right? You have to animate them each to generate a video story, like the one you see in the beginning of this video. So I click on the first character and hit the animate option. Here we have it. Let's see.
A quiet morning begins with intentional preparation. A quiet morning begins with intentional preparation.
Okay, so I like it and I'll generate and go through the same process for the remaining character. Alright? I also forgot to mention that I preferably choose this voiceover for my character. The name is matter. You'd also find it in the option menu. Alright. Now we have our character ready. Let's see.
She opens the book, signaling the start of her focused reading. She opens the book, signaling the start of her focused.
Alright, so I'm good with. So again, I'll go through the same process for all the scripts. Alright.
This daily practice is vital for her mindset. This daily practice is vital for her mindset.
Now I'm done. Let's revert and see what we've got.
A quiet morning begins with intentional preparation. She opens the book, signaling the start of her focused reading. Her expression shows she is serious about the day's intentions. This daily practice is vital for her mindset. Today, I choose peace.
Okay, I like this. So once you're done, you can add your cover title, you can re-edit, you can add your title. For me, I do not want to add any cover title or anything. Then I hit the no title option, alright? Same as the subtitle, same as the background music, I choose the no options. So once all of that is done, you click generate. Now you want to listen. Once you hit generate and the video says field, instead of it to generate your videos for you, it says field. You tried it a second time, still says failed. Then you want to do this. You want to go back, refresh your page. Log out. Do not worry about your projects or anything. Since you log in with your Gmail or your Discord account, then it is already saved to your dashboard. Do not worry. So once you log out, you want to make sure you log out and you will log in. You refresh your page. So you will log in with your same Gmail account or your Discord account. Then you should have something like this. Here we go. Let's play this.
Intentional preparation. She opens the book, signaling the start of her focused read. Her expression shows she is serious about the day's intention. This daily practice is vital for her mindset. Today, I choose peace.
That's really interesting. So once that is done, you go ahead to save this and download your video. So you can save this to your file or your drive, alright?
A quiet morning begins with intentional preparation. She opens the book, signaling the start of her focused read. Her expression shows she is serious about the day's intention. This daily practice is vital for her mindset. Today, I choose peace.
Also, if you want to start doing this as a profession, then you might want to explore their credit purchase, right? For me, it's still fair compared to the other AI tool. For me, this is still fair. $9.99 to get 5,000, and with $19.99 you get 10,000 stars. This is incredible. This is really incredible. Also, these are the credits deducted for my video. You can see under the free usage, these are the credits deducted, and still have some credit remaining. So if you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and comment your favorite part in this video. I'll be reading comment, alright? So share to other creators, and I'll see you in my next video.